Here we go.
Setting, man.
Oof. You know, I like your hair. I like your hair, that's why I'm gonna shave it.
Should I cry or
I feel jealous of you. Okay, let me start from number 6 first, just in case.
Here we go.
That's your hair, Mike.
Oh my goodness.
It's going now.
I don't know for how many years. Maybe start from the color.
Off. See? Number 6.
Look weird.
Yeah, it doesn't match between the top and the side, so that's why I'm gonna go number 5. I'll try number 5. I think number 5 is good. You've had the line before, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. We will wait for the line to grow back. Take a while, but
How long is it? 2 months right now?
yes, around that. But you know, most of the people I do the buzz cut for them, a buzz for them, they like it and they keep the same.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good news. So now what I will do, instead of half, I will do super zero, but high fading to keep the difference between the size and the top.
Here. Okay, here go. It'll take some time to get used to it. Oh, cool.
You like it?
It's okay.
Where's your thumbs up?
Yeah. Big thumb up. Okay, there you go.
First choice barber.